Hey everyone! If you find yourself sending the same contract, lease, or form over and over again, you're wasting time. In 2026, Docusign templates allow you to set up a document once and reuse it forever with just a few clicks. Today, I'm showing you the exact desktop workflow to build a professional template. Let's get started. Step 1. Start the template. First, log in to your Docusign dashboard. Instead of clicking New, look at the top horizontal menu and select the Templates tab. Click the New button on the left and select Create Template. Give your template a clear name like Standard Lease Agreement and a brief description so your team knows exactly when to use it. Step 2. Upload your base document. Now, add the file that will serve as your master copy. Click Upload to select a PDF or Word document from your desktop. Once uploaded, Docusign will store this version. Whenever you use the template in the future, it will generate a fresh copy of this specific file for your signers. Step 3. Define recipient roles. This is the most important part of a template. Under Add Recipients, don't enter a specific person's name. Instead, enter a role, for example, tenant or client. Leave the name and email fields blank. This creates a placeholder so that when you actually use the template later, Docusign will simply ask you, who is the tenant? Step 4. Place your tags. Click Next in the top right corner to go to the tagging screen. Drag and drop the signature, date signed, and text fields onto the document. Because you created a role in the previous step, these tags are now assigned to that placeholder. When you send the template to a real person later, all these fields will automatically be ready for them. Step 5. Save and close. Once your tags are placed, click Save and Close at the bottom of the screen. Your template is now stored in your library. Whenever you're ready to use it, just find it under your Templates tab and click Use. You'll just enter the new person's email and you're done. Templates are the ultimate way to automate your paperwork and look more professional. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.